In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to harness the power of AI to craft compelling and effective WhatsApp sales messages using ChatGPT. So buckle up and get ready to elevate your marketing game. First things first, let's get started by opening ChatGPT. You'll want to head over to chat.openai.com and log into your account. It's crucial to begin a fresh chat session so you have a clean slate to work with. This ensures that your AI-generated content remains focused and relevant. Once you're all set up with your new chat session, it's time to dive in and start by asking ChatGPT to write WhatsApp sales messages. A great example might be requesting 5 persuasive sales messages to promote a new skincare product. Include specifics like keeping them short, friendly, and with a strong call to action. This approach helps your messages grab attention and prompt immediate responses from your audience. Next, let's move on to creating automated replies. This is especially handy for managing customer inquiries efficiently. Ask ChatGPT to whip up 10 auto-reply messages for common customer questions about skincare products, covering topics like pricing, delivery, payment methods, and product benefits. Make sure these replies are clear and professional, allowing you to handle customer interactions smoothly and maintain a polished image. Now, let's take it a step further by designing a sales script. Request ChatGPT to write a step-by-step WhatsApp sales script for approaching potential customers. Be sure to include key elements such as a friendly greeting, product introduction, benefits, addressing objections, and ultimately closing the sale. This script can be pivotal in building rapport and guiding the conversation to a successful conclusion. Follow-up is essential in sales, and ChatGPT can assist with this too. Ask it to generate 5 polite follow-up messages to send if a customer hasn't replied after a couple of days. Make sure these messages sound helpful rather than pushy, gently reminding the customer of your offer while respecting their space. Lastly, let's create some buzz with a broadcast campaign. You can have ChatGPT craft a broadcast message to promote a limited-time skincare discount. Ensure the message is exciting and communicates urgency, encouraging customers to act promptly by replying or placing an order. Once you've generated all this fantastic content, it's time to integrate it with your WhatsApp marketing tool like Wati or another app you prefer. This will enable you to effortlessly execute your marketing plan and engage with your customers effectively. Remember, the key to successful sales messaging is not just in crafting compelling content, but also in customizing it to fit seamlessly within your brand's communication style. Keep testing, iterating, and improving to maximize your results. And there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to mastering WhatsApp sales strategies with the help of ChatGPT. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!